POV, we're filming.
POV, we're filming.
I blacked out on Amazon and I bought a bunch of stuff for Eryn's dorm, so Eryn doesn't even really know what's in here, but
I do not know what's in any of these packages. So this is it's like Christmas for me.
when you have an aunt with a shopping problem.
You get, the niece is the one who's blessed.
Blessed, honey.
I get blessed.
Blessed. Okay, I'm gonna set this camera up and we're about to unbox all this stuff. Subscribe before you leave.
Subscribe.
My lips are looking orange. I'm gonna take this off.
That's the sound now. All right.
This is how Eryn warms up.
Just have to warm myself up a little bit.
Look how good my press-ons look, guys.
I know.
These look my Gel X nails. They look
They
so
sure do.
similar.
She saves hundreds of dollars.
Literally. This is really like 20 bucks. Okay. I'm excited because I don't even know what we got either, so it'll be a surprise for both of us.
You know she's a shopaholic when she forgets what she bought.
I was like, well, listen, Eryn's about to rejudge her living place this summer.
Yeah.
So that was kind of like my inspo to get some stuff so we could decorate it. Now, if she doesn't like anything, I'm going to take it back.
Yes. All my roommates,
I think you're going to like this.
Oh my God. These are so cute.
Are
you joking?
Not? Tell them I got these for you.
Oh my God. These are the cutest thing. First of all, dice are just
The guys
cute.
are gonna steal that. The guys are gonna steal these.
The guys are gonna steal these. In Santa Barbara, I have never heard of this game before. Maybe some of you guys have. It's called Die, and literally it's just like a drinking game where you throw dice into the air. You want to catch it.
But you don't drink, right?
No.
Okay.
No.
Good girl.
Literally, I have an earring that has
a little dice.
A little dice on
mini
it.
dice.
And do I tell them I have a boyfriend?
Oh!
We will talk about this later on.
That's another video.
That's another video. I do have a boyfriend. He loves dye and he loves that
when she wears the earring.
Yes.
So I saw these and I was like, oh my God, they play dye all the time.
This is so cute. I can't wait to put these somewhere. No one better steal them. Because I'm gonna hurt someone if they do, because first of all, these are just so stinking cute.
They're like wooden. They're heavy.
Yeah. So ASMR. Hey guys. This is gonna become an ASMR. These are phenomenal.
Okay, we have
These are actually so cute.
I thought you would like
Oh,
those.
I can't believe you even thought about that.
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's get to cutting this box up. That was so cute.
Right?
Aww.
See, I'm cool.
It's actually so sweet. Laura is a cool aunt.
I know, I try.
You don't even have to try, baby girl. She just.
Oh, is it broken? No, you put it together. Is it broken?
What is this?
It's supposed to be a mushroom.
Oh my God. First of all, disco ball.
You
Second
like
of all.
disco.
Oh my God, yeah.
Oh yeah, we glue it together. Isn't that cute? Is that cute?
Are you joking?
Like,
look
isn't that
at
so
it. You
cool?
can literally see it just shine away on camera. So yeah, that's cute. So
We're gonna super glue that together.
Yeah,
because you just put it together yourself.
that's fine. That's so cute. This is so stinking cute. Let's bust this bad boy open. This is so
Isn't
cute.
this stuff like so college?
Okay,
like,
but here's the
party
thing.
house?
I need you to come to the house and put this somewhere.
We are I'll for sure decorate.
I always say this. I don't think I've told you this before, but when I get older, I don't care how old I am. I could be like 35, having a place of my own. I need you to decorate it.
We're gonna make it so cute.
I'm too indecisive and I don't even know. But you have great. Oh my God. This is so cute. This is like a little bathroom mat.
Isn't that just cute?
I love the like pink too.
I do too. I feel like that was.
She's so cute.
Because your bathroom area is so small. I was
Yeah.
like, this is such a nice little small rug.
I know.
That area.
Oh, she's so cute. I love it.
And it felt really soft.
Yeah, it is soft. This
So
is
cute.
actually nice. Put it like right beside the shower.
Yes.
I like her.
Okay, we have a bunch of wins so far.
We have a couple wins. Actually, they're all wins.
Well, thank God.
I don't know if anything will be a lose.
Okay.
Let's. Oh. Well, you better watch it. You better watch it.
I don't know what this is.
I know. This is exciting because they come in little individual boxes.
What are these?
What are these?
Oh, I got these for your bathroom, but I thought they were going to be way bigger.
Oh, but no, these are still so cute. You can
think
put like
so?
little Q-tips in there, little cotton balls. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Right?
Oh my God. It comes with two. Oh my
I
God.
feel like I've accidentally ordered 4.
No, that box looks a little bit different.
It does.
Is this just...
Oh, it is different.
What is this?
I don't know what this is. Oh, I got you some cups, but for your kitchen.
Oh my...
Aren't they so cute?
God, the way we're all about to be obsessed with these.
All right.
Oh
I'm gonna get
my...
a break, but I was like, whatever.
No, we have glass things as well. We're
Okay.
careful about it. Oh my God.
Isn't that so adorable?
These are so cute.
Amazon.
Amazon be coming through.
I know.
Look how cute that is. Just put a little drink in there.
Girl, put a little drink. Okay, and then these, I was like, these could be cute in your small bathroom for like cotton balls, cotton swabs.
Oh my
little
God.
cotton pads.
I love these. These are so cute. Cute for organizing.
And then I had just ordered this shirt because I thought it would be cute on you, but...
Oh no, 100%. You know, she was just like, you know what, might as well. This is so cute.
That would be cute for you to wear out.
I love
like
a
bunch of gold necklaces.
Oh, I can't wait for summer.
I know.
This is giving me summer vibes. I can't wait. But yes, this is so stinking cute. Look at that. I like how it has like a little twist, little knot in the middle. She's very cute. I like this.
Okay, good. I'm glad you're liking.
All right.
We got some big boxes to go through next. Ooh.
Don't be looking at that address. Turn around. Look away.
Look away.
Look away. That's not information you guys need to see. All right. Dang.
Woo.
All right, what is
this? Oh, I bought you, because I don't want you to burn down your house, I bought you a diffuser instead of a candle.
Oh my God.
You know what I'm saying? I'm like, let's get a wick those stick diffusers instead of a candle, because they will keep your bathroom
I love
fresh.
those. Me and Celine, one of my housemates, we both have. Oh my God, that's so cute.
Y'all both have these?
Yeah, we have a little wax melt too.
Oh, that's good.
Now what is this?
I don't even know what is this.
It's a trash.
It is a trash. A little trash can. Isn't it so cute?
Oh my
your bathroom
God.
or your room?
Oh my God, look at that baby pink too. Oh, she's so girly pop.
Okay, this is the diffuser, so she'll put the little, I'm not gonna open it because I'm gonna put it back in the box for her to take with her, but the little, I like that it comes with dried flowers, so that's gonna be really pretty.
Am I allowed to open it without?
Yeah.
And I could close it
Because
back?
you can just screw the lid back on.
Okay.
I'm just gonna keep these in here. Yeah, I wanna give it a good sniff. What if it stinks? I couldn't tell online.
Smells nice. It's just clean.
It is clean.
It reminds me of like a laundry scent.
It's called Fresh Cotton. Fresh Scents. I don't even know. Oh, Clean Linen.
Oh, there we go. Laundry. This is actually so nice and fresh. I kind of want to put this in our bedroom.
Yeah.
Or even in the bathroom.
Definitely.
Just keep it nice and fresh.
All the
and
dumps
it's so cute.
You guys take?
We have poopery. Don't worry.
Okay.
We always have to remind the men, hey, a little squirt, because for some reason, their little stinkers, they be stankin'.
Oh, I know. The guys are gross.
Ooh, I don't know what they be eating.
I found this little pink trash can because it has a pop-up lid, and I was just like, this is so perfect. And then look, when you take the trash out, you can dump it.
God, this is so precious to me.
Isn't it?
I want to put this in our bedroom.
I know. I feel like you guys need a
It's
little.
so perfect. We have little trash cans and little trash bins, but they're nowhere near as cute as that.
Okay. Love
Oh my God, I'm obsessed with her.
Yeah.
This is so cute. Well, Laura, you had a vision, and your vision is just
A vision.
reaching vision.
We're gonna make your place really cute next year, like very vibey.
I want to make it vibey.
I already got you a mirror, but here's another.
That's all right.
You can never have too many.
No, we love being self-absorbed and staring at ourselves.
She can
And
see
honestly, I don't see it as self-absorbed.
What was the Conceited song?
Feeling myself conceited.
Feeling myself conceited. Oh, I didn't know this was big. This was so small.
Look how cute she is.
Wait, it needs a stand. It comes with a stand.
I'm pretty sure that's the stand.
No.
That's its own. What is this?
This is like a fragrance tray or a tray for you to put, like, you can put on your kitchen or you can put on your vanity.
Oh my God, I love her.
It's like a little tray.
I love her. Actually, there could have been a stand in there.
There must be. Okay.
Oh, yeah, there is.
Okay.
I thought there was.
Yeah, you like put it in the sliver of wood, but I thought you could either put this in the kitchen or look, it would even be cute if you put the diffuser in here.
I know, and
with
just
like some
a couple
fragrances.
other things. Oh my God, I love her.
Wouldn't that be so cute? And you can wipe it down because it's just like plastic.
I know, she's so gorgina.
So you could use that.
Oh my God, guys, moment of silence for this.
A moment of silence for the mirror because it's coming. That is so pretty.
Oh.
I also I don't know if I rebought it to show them your last mirror I got you. Oh shit, you just hit yourself in the face.
I know, there we go.
Okay, maybe that
Oh my god, she's so nice.
Isn't that pretty though?
It is pretty. It's so cute.
It is.
Let me just stare at myself a little bit.
I mean.
This is such a cute mirror, and I like how easy it is. All you need is a stand, and that's it. And this mirror's perfect. Oh my god, she's so cute.
I thought this was cute.
I like this.
All these little unique goodies.
Yes. Oh my god, it's such a little vibe.
It's a little vibe.
It's a vibe.
I think they threw these in there for free.
Well,
they sure did. Thanks for choosing INC Home. This is a gift for you. I'll wear these. I know you may wear these.
Yeah. Those will look cute. Oh, but that's so sweet. I like when little brands do that. Like if you order anything off Etsy, they'll usually like throw in something. And I think that's
cute.
So
they
sweet.
threw these in for free.
Oh my god, this box is full of goodies.
Oh, let's see what we got.
3-in-1 portable magnetic wireless charger.
I didn't order this. Wait, what is this stuff? Does this package have our name on it?
No,
it is.
It is.
Tyler must have ordered this stuff.
This might be for Tyler then.
All right, let's see what Tyler's getting.
Yeah, no. All right.
Oh, he's bought this stuff for our Europe trip.
Okay, yeah, because I was like, because look, this gives away like an airplane pillow, and I was like,
you're like, what am I gonna do with this?
Why did you give me this?
I was like, I for sure did not get her this stuff.
I know.
Okay, we just got a bunch of,
well, guys, ignore that little dilemma.
Ignore that part, but we do have another big box.
Jesus, this is a huge box.
It is.
It's the biggest.
Ooh.
It's the biggest one.
Look at this.
Look at this.
I told y'all, but this stuff's really cute, isn't it?
It's so cute. I can't wait to bring this all back home. I have no clue where I'm gonna put some of this stuff.
You can just store it too if you want to leave. If you want to leave it here, you just want to take it and play with it and try to make it work.
Yeah.
Or you could store it.
Oh my god. Okay, so there are a lot of goodies in this one.
Oh! All right, that's broke.
Laura's already breaking things.
We got a bunch of stuff. Okay, y'all.
I'll let you open some, show some things off, you know. You know the whole ordeal.
Yeah, I try to get you some tops.
Cute little
so you can wear your outfits.
I'm not trying to break too much styrofoam.
Oh, I thought that was gonna be pretty.
What is this?
I know. I thought that would be pretty.
This is so cute. I kind of want to put this in the kitchen.
Right? But you mean like a little
I know.
sponge or
I was thinking like a little sponge.
Little hand soap.
Oh my god. She's so cute.
Oh, I thought these would be pretty on you.
Oh, I like
They're
these.
long sleeve basics.
Oh, I love these. Oh, and look, they even have the little finger thing
Like
where
if you went out on a cold night and wanted to wear crop
Oh my
tops.
god, I love this. And these actually feel really nice. One thing I like about Amazon, they have some really nice, cute basics.
They do, and it was like came in a pack of 2. You got like the cream and the black.
I love this, and I also just can't get over this.
That is so freaking cute.
It's
Look
so
at that.
cute.
It's speckled,
so
guys. It is so heavy. It's
now,
like
what is this little guy?
Oh, these are pillows.
Are you joking?
I just thought they were cute. I said, oh my god, these look like little door pillows.
Are you? Oh my god, I'm gonna put these all over my bed.
Right?
They're little flat. Flower pillows. Little flower child.
I love these.
I like this. Came in a pack of 3.
Right?
Oh my god, I'm putting these on my bed.
Oh my god.
And they're just gonna be there.
Look at them.
Oh my god.
Little flower pillows.
They're actually so
They're
cute.
so soft, aren't they?
At first I thought it was a little blanket too, but no, they're little flowers.
And look, Eryn, if your butthole ever hurts, you can just sit right on top of that.
I know. Nice little pressure.
Right?
Ooh, this is just so nice.
Aren't they so freaking cute? I just screamed whenever I saw these. I was like, okay, I feel like Eryn could do something with these.
I most definitely can. I like how cute and simple they are
Right?
too. They're so comfy too.
Little 3-pack.
Oh, these are so cute.
Whenever your roommates move out, they'd be cute across your couch. But
I
I might ruin them, I don't know.
I know I was thinking about putting these on my couch, but I'm just like, we have a lot of people who come over on the weekends. I don't want anything get messed up.
Oh, I thought you might just need this.
I actually do need that.
An organizer.
I want to put my makeup in there. When I'm I don't know, because not gonna lie, my roommate, it's a little bit difficult.
It's tight.
Yeah. But that's also because her stuff kind of takes up a majority of our room.
Yeah.
But that's, I don't know.
So it's coming to an end though.
It is coming to an end.
So I thought you can use this stuff.
I know.
Whenever we redo and like remake the space.
Yeah.
You can set all this stuff up. Oh, I bought 2 by accident, huh?
Laura Ann. Well, you know what? We can put one in the bathroom and in our room.
Gorgeous.
Gorgina. And this I like because I want to put my makeup in this.
Yeah, and then it slides. It's like a two-tiered little tray.
Oh my god, this is actually so cute.
Right?
I love all this stuff.
Wow, I can't believe I bought 2 trash cans.
I know.
I mean, I can believe.
Oh my god, that is just so perfect. Though.
Isn't that perfect?
The way, and then you just...
Okay, we're gonna put this together and I will show you guys the finished.
Yes.
The finished project. And then what is that? Everything in that box?
That's everything.
Okay, what's your favorite thing?
I don't know. I just like, really love everything. Everything is just so stinking cute. I will say top 3.
Okay, top 3.
Definitely have to be the dice.
I knew you were gonna love that.
They are just so cute.
I typed in dice decor.
Aww, these are just so
They are.
I really love the trash cans, and honestly,
trash cans are handy.
I love everything. Like, it's hard to make a top 3, but the trash cans are really nice. I like how you can take them out. And honestly, this thing probably might be my new favorite because I have little bins for my makeup, but I don't know. I just like this more.
That's how it's supposed to look when we're finished with it. Like a little 2-tiered pull-out tray.
This is so cute. Everything is so cute. These little glasses.
The glasses
are
little
adorable. Jars that you can put, like, cotton balls, cotton swabs. Oh, let's not forget about the little disco mushroom.
We're gonna glue that together tonight.
I know.
And get that going.
She's so cute.
So I feel like that could be so cute just somewhere.
I know.
Ooh.
I have a top shelf in our room, and I think I just want to put all this stuff.
I feel like that would be perfect.
And then, like, when everyone kind of moves out, because everyone in my house is moving out besides me. I already have my future roommates and stuff planned out.
For sure, you feel like? Do you feel pretty confident?
I feel pretty confident unless for some reason someone has to back out.
Yeah, I think so.
But yeah, I'm gonna maybe decorate the place more.
We're gonna go in this summer when no one's there, and we're gonna we shouldn't film, but we're gonna
I've even talked about it with my like future roommate, just like what all do you have, what all do you want to bring. I also plan on taking my housemate's room. I won't be in the same room.
she's switching rooms.
I am switching rooms, and something I'm really upset about, I put together my bed frame and I'm gonna have to take it apart.
Oh my god,
and
Eryn.
rebuild the entire thing, and I threw away
to get it into the next
I know,
room.
and I threw away the instructions. So I mean, it's pretty basic, but
Tyler will help you with that.
Oh my god.
Tyler will help you.
And I was like, is there some way I can just move it without? Which I'll try to figure that out.
I don't know. I think you're gonna take that thing apart.
I know. And another thing I want to get mattress topper.
Yes, you should have told me. I think I put this side on. No. Yep, I sure did. I put it on upside down. I shouldn't be building anything.
Girl. Get it. Get it.
It goes like, let's see, hold on.
Oh,
this slides, so then this, it goes like this.
Look how cute.
Now that will be really nice to put you can put skincare and makeup.
You can put skincare, makeup, cleaning supplies if you wanted to. Really, you can do anything organizing.
I just
organization-wise.
We need some like little organizing trays because those are the best in college.
They are.
You have to compact
because you don't have a lot of space, and then you just need a little something.
I agree.
To put all your stuff.
It comes with like little stopper feet up for the base of it.
I'll probably throw it away.
Honestly, they're probably in the trash, but the basket will still work.
The basket still works, and she's so cute. I can't wait to put everything in this.
I know.
Oh, about to get hit.
All right, well that is it for this haul video, guys. Who wants to come over and help us clean up?
Comment down below. We'll leave it all for you, babe. Don't even worry about it.
We're gonna clean all this stuff up. But we love everything.
We love everything. There's not one thing in
the
this
pillows
video.
are cute too.
I know, the pillows. I can't wait to put those. Oh, now I just want to go back. Look, I'm gonna go to Santa Barbara just real quickly just to put this all together, and then I'll be right back. And put all my little things together. They're so cute.
Well, that's it for this video, guys.
Thank you so much for watching.
We love you guys.
We love you. I miss you, and we'll see you
in the next video.
Bye, guys.
Subscribe before you go.